You can look at me and say, well, this is a missionary. She's been on the field for 30 plus years. She's had her children there. She's taken bucket showers and used an outhouse, so she's a different type of person. Let me tell you something. I am no different than any American Christian should be. Jesus Christ gave his disciples a command before he ascended to the Father. And the command was this: go ye and tell all men that I came so they could have life and have it for eternity. Preach the gospel to every nation, every tongue. I am an evangelist. I am a soul winner. The passion of my heart, of my life, is to see men and women and children come to Jesus Christ, whether they're Haitian or they're Chinese or they're Korean or they're American, makes no difference. But to win souls, this is what God has put us on this earth for. Not for our own pleasure, not for our own satisfaction, but for his satisfaction, so that the lamb that was slain can be satisfied, that the blood that he shed would have the effect that he meant for it to have, that it would redeem men from the wrath of the Father, from the curse of death, and it would give them a place in eternity where we can all worship him together.